sugar cookies. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisperer. I'm packing my carry-on bag for a 2-week trip
to New York City.
coming up real soon. Let's face it, when you're larger size, plus size, or mid size, you have more fabric, therefore that means that it takes up more room in your suitcase. But I'm gonna show you all the things that I'm planning on taking, like I said, keyword,
planning
on taking to New York City, putting it inside this carry-on for 2 weeks. I have a capsule wardrobe, meaning that I just basically picked black, white, gray, and maybe a wild card outfit in there. But yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that I plan on packing. Let's see if that happens. I have some tips that I have some great inexpensive hacks that you can use not only for traveling, but you can use that same hack for your lingerie, your drawers where you have your clothing, your closet, and things like that. Okay, here we go. This looks like a lot of stuff, and it is, to go all in this little carrier right here, but we're gonna do it. And let's see, who is the maker of this carrier? This is not a sponsored video, but this is who this particular carry-on is. It is up to date with FAA regulations. These are all the tops that I plan on taking. These are the pants to include exercise. This bag, I am gonna wind up putting it in my carry-on bag, some hats back there, some workout gear, my pajamas, my underwear and things. And then over here, this is the coat that I'll be wearing. I'll probably be wearing this underneath. This is the jumpsuit that I plan traveling in, and these are the only 2 pairs of shoes that I'm taking. These are all weather, waterproof, snowproof. I think these are called Cougars. These are beautiful. Isn't that a beautiful silver? And then I'm taking my platform Chuck Taylors, and I'm taking extra cords because I know the white cords are gonna get nasty in the snow or rain and things. This is the extra bag that I'm taking, that I'm going to put that crossbody bag into, snacks and several things. So that's the idea. I purchased these bags from Marshall's a while ago, so I'm going to put the boots in this bag, and then I have this set right here that I'm going to try and fold all of that back there and put it into this container. And I have my belts here, those 2 hats, 1 perfume. I like traveling with these little wallets. This only cost me $1.25. I got it at the flea market, at the Korean stand, the concession. And what it is, it's one hand, hold on. You could put money and your cards in there, and that easily fits into your crossbody. This is a wonderful thing to carry when you're traveling because you don't have to worry about bottles and gels and liquids and things. I have my shower cap. You need this. And my medication. I have like-minded things clustered together, as I mentioned before. My contact lenses. I have some tape, fashion tape, and I have a sewing kit, some band-aids in there, and I even have ironing tape, just in case I have a situation where I have to hem something. Let me share with you a little hack that I like to do. This paper that you see right here, I spritz it with a little bit of perfume. Hold on, let me show you. I like to spritz it on some tissue paper that I like to save and I recycle. This is an extra layer of protection during traveling, and it also keeps the clothing, you know, smelling nice and things.
You're welcome.
I used to roll my clothing, but I found that that also takes up a lot of room because, as I mentioned before, being heavier, there's a lot more room. The fabric and the cuts and the sizes are wider, and it takes up a lot of bulk. But now that I'm a 14-16, it's not as much, but it's still bulky. So let's see how I handle this. So now what I do with the pants, I lay them flat. Let me show you. You see, these are the layers of pants that I'm taking. Make sure that there's nothing impeding it or bulky. Okay, now I'm gonna tuck the sides downwards, just like that. I'm trying to maximize every single space. I know that it looks like it's already full, but it's not. Hopefully my idea works. Let's see. Wait, this way. That. See all these layers? Like that. Then do this. Bring this in that way. All right. Hopefully it fits in this cube. Okay. All right. Perfect. Let's see. Well, I have to put my toiletries in there, but yes, this is gonna work. Yay! Woo! She's getting there. So I took my belts, I unrolled them, and I folded them this way and found a nice deep corner. Trust me, this is going to be like a puzzle, work together, but I'm gonna get it done, don't you worry. See? Okay, so that's that part. Then right here, turn this around. Here, I'm going to, let's see, is that a good, ooh, let me get my blanket to put this on here, hold on. So I forgot that this suitcase has an expander right here, so I opened that up. And I just wanted to share with you that I have, to make things easier, I have a tag to go on my carry-on, even though it's not gonna get checked in, but you never know. So this, oh yes, this makes life so much easier. Could I put my hot water bottle in there? I sure can. I don't like to travel without that. These items over here are going to go in that carry-on right there. Perfect. Okay, one down, one to go. Yay. Perfect. Yes. Oh, we are packed and we are ready
for New York City.
Sugar cookies, I did it. The only thing that I left out was the contact lens solution because it was expired. I'm glad I checked that out first. And the eyeglass repair kit because it was just grody. But other than that, I put back the green plaid pants. Let me show you in here. And I still have room to put my laptop if I wanted to, which I'm not going to take with me on the trip. Be patient with me. I'm doing this with one hand. As you can see, I rolled up the pants, put them back. The shoes are in this bag right there. And I have this crossbody bag in there. I have some extra masks in the front. These books I can put in the front there as well. I'm taking with me some sunglasses, this book, and a word hunt. And I'm ready to go, honey. New York City, here I come. If you have any travel tips as far as carry-on luggage is concerned, please let me know because I love to travel. That is definitely something that I am very fond of. And I love to travel light. I hate stopping for check-in. I try to avoid it at all costs because I like to drop and go and get my vacation going. So what do you think? Not bad, right? I'm so proud of myself because I managed to get all of those items inside my carry-on. If you found some value in this video and you got some great ideas, then consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Here on this channel, I do makeup, thrifting, decor, DIYs, cooking, inspiration, traveling, so much lifestyle, honey. Like I mentioned before, subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next.
Can't wait to go to New York City.
Quiet on the set! That includes you too, nature! I have some tips that if you found some land that plane, girl!
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.